Mr. VASSEL. Reynolds, first of all, coach, congrats on the win. I'm talking about today's performance. What do you feel about it?
Good performance. We set our sights and getting through that's the first game. I mean, figuring this thing out. I mean, once you get the through that's the first game, and we are in it until the last game of this round. That's what we really wanted to do. Because I look at a base for the next game against JC, which may end up to be a tougher game. So we're satisfied, pretty satisfied. We had a few little inklings before the game. Some people on cards and some thought it's important to put the second half to see it. But overall, I'm satisfied.
Alright, coach, you're in the quarterfinal round. Obviously, still a group stage. But were you surprised that this game was so easy and you didn't get much of a challenge from Tivoli Gardens?
Not so surprised in the sense that based on how we have been playing, we have been creating a number of chances. Even the game that well as a great stats. So pretty much that continues. We continue to create the chances, which is not a surprise the way we set up, the way we have been playing in the beginning. And maybe those two early goals would have clipped the wings of Tivoli a little bit and I thought that they became flat. I mean, half of that. But still, credit to my team, we didn't give them that opportunity. So, and that is what I'm proud about.
Alright, coach, speak to me about the player that we are going to give man of the match, and that the main sponsor also gave man of the match.
Rapid after the third.
Mr. Smith. I'm talking about him.
I told him it's today or never. He has not been giving us that sort of performance. We expected that to happen. And he stepped up today and gave us a very good performance. Still has a lot in him. And we expect him to play much better than Tuesday. Thanks.